Hey guys, I got my hair done today, and yeah, you can't really see it at the moment, but obviously I'll take it out at the end of the video. But yeah, I wanted to do my makeup to feel nice with my new hair, even though it's now 9 PM at night, so I'm not going to go anywhere or see anyone or do anything, but it's for me. So I'm just going to start by priming my eyes with the Lippies base. I'm going to try out a couple of new products today as well. So yeah, just thought we could do a little chit chat kind of video, you know. So today I'm going to be trying out the Colourpop Making Mauves palette. This one came out like quite a while ago. It's definitely not new or anything like that, but it's such a beautiful palette. And then I thought I might try and put one of these Louise paints over the top because I feel like it matches the vibe. So we'll see how it all goes. I've also got a glitter liner. And yeah, just a few other things that I would like to try. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I think I'll start with the shade here. It's like a brown and it's called Solitaire. I think I'll put that through the crease and make that like my transition shade. So yeah, start off with that one. I haven't had my hair done in such a long time. It was so nice to go today and get it done. I feel like it was like a year since I had it done. I really can't remember the last time. But yeah, it was just so nice. The shade comes off very different, like in the pan to what it is on the palette. In the pan it's like quite a true brown, and on the eye it's got like quite a bit of like purple undertone. But it's a very pretty shade, I'm not complaining, it's just different. But yeah, I turned 21 in 2 days, I think. Yeah, in 2 days. So yeah, I got my nails done. I feel like they're not my favourite. I feel like I should have, I don't know, I'll explain that in a second, but yeah, I got my nails done and I got my hair done so I can feel nice for my birthday. I was hoping to get another tattoo before my birthday, but my artist is booked out, so that's fine. Honestly, probably couldn't afford it anyway. But yeah, I did get some tattoos recently, so I've got enough, you know? Got enough for now. But yeah, so I got my nails done. I chose like, it was like, so here it looks quite like a bright aqua. On the little like swatch, it looked like a really kind of earthy, like blue, green, kind of teal, like a very like kind of deep earthy tone. And then yeah, on my hands it just looks like straight aqua, which is still pretty, but it just wasn't really what I was going for. So yeah. And also this time I didn't get any extensions. I just wanted to go for my natural nail and just put some yeah, just like some gel over the top, some gel polish. So yeah, that's what I did, because sometimes the extensions are too hard to handle, you know, like too hard to maneuver everything with. So yeah, I might eventually get a bit more, I might eventually get like, yeah, some tips or something, but yeah, for now I'm just happy doing the polish for a while. Alright, next I'm going to go in with this shade here called Big Fig, and I'm just going to use that like over the edge. But yeah, so everything, I'm very excited for my birthday. People keep asking me if I'm excited to turn 21. I'm not a big partier or drinker or anything like that, so yeah, I feel like it's kind of the same as any age to me. I know people, it's like a special age and stuff, but yeah, I don't know. But I am very excited. People keep asking me, you know, like what do I want, or like what am I excited about, but it's honestly just, I know it sounds corny, but I'm really just excited to spend some time with my family, to have all my family in the same room, and to be able to spend some time with them. And yeah, honestly, that is just the biggest blessing, that I still am able to have all of my family, that I still do have all of my family. Like the older I get, the more I realize like that's a bit kind of rare, you know. Like I know that people have lost family members, and obviously getting older myself like means that everyone else in my family is aging, so the fact that I still have this many amazing people in my life and that I'm still able to see them and spend time with them and see them for my birthday is honestly just like the biggest blessing in the world. So yeah, I'm very excited for that. I'm excited to see my nephews. But yeah, that's yeah, there's honestly not much that money can buy these days. Like, no, like there is, like that sounds silly, but most of the things I want, like I already buy myself, or they're big things like a house. You know what I mean? But yeah, anyway, so now I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade of the palette, and it's called Marquee, this one here. I'm just gonna put a bit of that in the outer corner. But yeah, no, I'm very excited for my birthday. I don't know what we're doing. My mum has planned it, so, but yeah, she's been stressing about it, and I'm like, Mum, like, you don't understand, like, you can't, like, just my family in the room, that's all I need, like, you know, that's what I'm excited about, like, you know, I don't need presents, I don't need you to, like, go somewhere fancy or anything like that, like, all I want is my family in the room, like, that's the most important thing to me. But yeah, I feel like she has really gone all out, and yeah, I just love my mum. She always goes above and beyond, and all of my family do. They're very yeah, they're very special people, and yeah, I'm just really excited to spend some time with them. This is looking like a big bruise at the moment, but hopefully it won't soon. Oh, I've got like something in my eye. Would it be one of my videos if I didn't have something in my eye? Probably not. Okay, I'm just gonna blend this now. Okay, so yeah, I want to take one of these paints. I have Raver and Glow Girl. I might swatch them in my hand, just so you can get an accurate idea. So this one here is Glow Girl, and it seems to be like a bit more. That's very pretty actually. That one's Glow Girl. And then we've got Raver. Raver seems to be like a more kind of hot pink. Yeah, it's like more of a... Okay, I think I'm going to take Glow Girl. I feel like it'll do a bit better with today's look. So I'm going to go off camera, I'm going to cut the crease, and then yeah, like I'll clean the crease with some Marcel water, and then I'll cut the crease using Glow Girl. So yeah, this is the P. Louise X Mitchell Acid Rain paints. So yeah, I'm gonna go off camera with that, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I have added the cut crease color. I'm hoping this is a trust the process moment. I'm hoping this looks good by the end, but we'll see. So yeah, I've just blended it out, but honestly everything's just turned like quite muddy looking, I feel. I don't know if that's my fault or... But yeah, I'm kind of like, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, like you can kind of see here, like it's quite patchy. Just not really loving this. Hopefully it turns out looking a little bit nicer, but we'll see. All right, I'm gonna take the shade called Mauve on top. It's like a shimmer. I'm gonna put that like over the top of the cut crease. Yeah, I'm not really sure if this is going to turn out. I feel like that just made it look worse. Guys, I'm not having a good day today. I should have just stuck to what I knew. No. I feel like we were kind of going okay until I put that that crease, yeah, cut crease shade on. Alright, I'm going to take a clean brush and just blend. Hoping a nice big wing will fix this, but yeah, we'll see. So I'm going to take the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Disco Daydream, and I'm just going to line, like, I think I'll just line the top of the cut crease. And then yeah, I think a wing will do. I'm going to take the Too Faced Better Than Sex liner. I really, really like this liner. I don't know if I see this coming together or not. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera, I'll clean this up, put my lashes on, and then hopefully when I come back it's looking a bit nicer. Okay, I'm still not loving it, like at all. I really thought it was gonna be different, but anyway, what do you do? So So I'm gonna wet my sponge now, and then we're gonna do the face, and hopefully, yeah, when all of the makeup is together, it'll look a bit better, but we'll see. Okay, so I'm trying out something new today. This is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Illuminator in the shade Soft Ivory, which I'm very excited to try. There's a lump in it. It looks really pretty though. And I'm guessing this is what it's meant to do, like be like a kind of primary thing. It doesn't say. It says it's part of the Pretty Fresh range, so I do really like the Pretty Fresh range. I'm gonna go in with a favourite foundation of mine because I'm feeling a bit not that great, so I feel like I need to pick me up, you know. So we're taking the Cosmetics CC Cream in Light, which is most definitely not light. Like, it's pretty much dark, but it's such a beautiful foundation. It's not even a foundation, but you know what I mean. I love it. It's just amazing. It makes my skin look so beautiful. It's definitely one of those what do you call it, like holy grail products. And yes, I picked my face while I was off camera. I always do it right before I put my foundation on. It's like, why would I do that? I sent Sam a photo and I was like, I'm really sad because it looks so gross. And he was really nice. He's like, oh, I really like it. He's so nice to me. Alright, that's that. For not foundation, sorry. For concealer, I'm going to take the Benefit Boing Concealer in number 2. This is like one of my all-time favourite concealers. It's just such a good product. Oh, look at that. Like, it's just such a nice concealer, you know? Okay. Gonna take the Too Faced Born This Way loose setting powder to set all the concealer. Okay, and then to set the rest of my face, I'm also taking a product from Too Faced. This is the Turn Up the Light palette. I love this one so much. I'm taking the powder in the middle. It's the soft focus powder, and it's pretty much just like a really nice, like kind of highlight, not like a highlighter, it's like a illuminating powder. And I love it. It's very nice. Alright, before we go ahead, I'm just gonna put some lip balm or lip gloss on. This is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil, because I'm gonna be putting on a lippy stick today and my lips just feel so dry, so just get that going. Alright, I'm gonna take the Kylie Cosmetics bronzer today. It's in the shade Khaki. This one here. I don't know if it's the best match for me, but yeah, it's quite nice. It's very subtle. Okay, nice. And then blush time. Alright, so taking the Too Faced Berries and Bubbly Blush Duo. So I'm gonna take the blush, and then I'm also gonna use the highlighter out of this too, I think. Quite subtle, but it's really nice. Oh, went a bit overboard there. Oh no. Uh-oh. I've made a big mistake. Help! Oh, I look quite clownish, don't I? Well, I feel like there's not much I can do now. So I was like, wow, this isn't going on much, and then like suddenly it was just like too much. Alright, I'm taking the highlighter out of here. That is a very nice highlight. I love Too Faced face products. I think they do a really good job with face products. I've never been a huge fan of their eyeshadow palettes apart from their the Born This Way one. that is a great eyeshadow palette. But yeah, they've always done face products so well. I'm gonna try a new setting spray too. This is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh setting spray. Looks really similar to the no filter one, like the packaging. This one's obviously like more peachy and this one's like a clearer. But yeah, I'm excited to try this. It smells really nice, smells like coconuts. Alright, let's try one of these Lippies Sticks. So these are from Colourpop. I've never tried the Lippies Sticks before. That's a really nice shade. It's like gone frosted. What the hell? Okay, that's not even the shade. It's like, I don't know why it went all frosty. I don't know if maybe it got too cold out here. It's so weird though. Oh yeah, okay, all of them have done it. Now I feel guilty, like I'm being mean to my makeup by leaving it out here. I don't know if any of these are really like what I was going for. I'll see if I have any other like lip products. I wonder if that would look nice. Maybe, I don't know if it's too brown for this look. Such a hard decision, guys. I don't know what to go for. And I really wanted to use this Laura Mercier lip pencil, but I don't think any of these are gonna fit. I'm thinking I might go for like the dark brown. Do you think? I feel like I should. Okay, this one is called Pitch. I'm gonna try. I'm nervous. I'm very nervous. Okay, I really like how these apply. They're going like really nice. I feel like it's a very bold statement. Am I ready to be this bold? I don't know. I really like that shade. Oh, right. Let's take my hair out. See how everything looks. I feel like I'm just, I don't know, I can't tell if I like this or if I'm hating this. Let's see. I don't even have a hairbrush. This is my hair. I got a little bit of it chopped off because it was so long and I just got some more blonde through it. And yeah, we've gone for like a kind of ombre. I don't know like how well you guys can really see, but yeah. I really love my hair. I think it looks so nice. I wish I had my straightener. I could just straighten the last bit of it. It rained all day today, of course. The day I got my hair done, it rains. Which is, you know. But anyway, so this is my hair and this is the finished look. I still don't know what I think, guys. I'm not 100% sure, but you'll have to let me know in the comments below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!